Mang Lucas Mushroom Farm, it was established during the heights of COVID-19 pandemic. So, I was in Oman then. Then I planned to go home that time. Tapos I asked my parents kung ano yung pwedeng gawin pag uwi ko dyan. Kasi COVID nga. Then, since they are both agriculturists, they suggested, and as my mother's dream naman na to have a mushroom farm, so we started the mushroom farming March of 2021.
Oh.
So, pag-uwi ko, we constructed the growing house and other facilities, and then eventually we started the mushroom production.
Oh, so
And Lucas, the Lucas is taken from my son's name, John Lucas. So, Mang Lucas Mushroom Farm.